Hello, this is Roshni Venugopal, UR14 CS121. I am doing Web Technology Lab exercise number 1, that is designing a simple web page using HTML. In the NetBeans IDE 8.1, I have written the code. So here you can see that this is the HTML tag. It has a closing tag too at the bottom. Within the HTML tag, we have a head and a body. In the head, there is a title tag which also has a closing tag, and within the title, whatever has been written will be displayed on the tab on the browser whenever the web page will be opened. And the meta tag over here, it says content equals width equals device width. So on whatever device the web page will be opened, it will accordingly set its width. Now within the body tag, I have given heading tag. Now let's take a look at this. The heading tag ranges from H1 till H7. So over here I have given H2. I'll run the file and you see here computer science is displayed in a fairly big font. But if I change my heading tag to H1, it will be bigger. The font will be bigger. Okay, now going to the division tag. In the first division I have given an introduction in a heading H3, and within the introduction I have given some content which needn't be enclosed within another division tag. Division tag is a block level element, so I can include another other block level as well as inline elements within the division tag. So over here I have included a paragraph tag. Here you can see that this is a href, a reference to a URL. Here you can see. Now that URL over here can be seen on the output web page. Whenever you click on the word computer scientist, it will lead to another page and give you information about computer scientists. So how is this done? Over here in the href, I have given the reference of the URL which will direct you to the page, and here is the target equals hash underscore blank, which will open in a new tab, and this is the link that I have given. Next is where I have enclosed an image. So image, the syntax can be seen here, img space src, src meaning the source of an image, and the width and the height of the picture is given. And if the picture is not saved in your computer, then an alternative, that is ALT, not found, will be given. So over here we can run the file and check. So this is my image that has been copied. Now if I change the name of the image and if I check, you can see that it will come the alternative, that is not found. Okay, now for more, now the internal link, over here the internal link, the syntax can be seen. University of Minnesota will be the place where if you click will give you the internal link. Over here, if you click there, an internal link, it will open in the same tab, as you can see. In the external link, if you click, I have given target equals underscore blank, that meaning that it will open in another tab. Let's run the file and check. I click on external link University of Minnesota and you can see that it has been opened in another tab. Right. Okay. Over here I have given reference for email and phone, and you can see the syntax. In the reference we have to give to mail and following the email address wherever you want to give the email, and tell following the phone number. Next is clickable image. If you click on the image, it will direct you to another page, and again the University of Minnesota page has been opened. Now moving on to the next division, the second division. I have given an ID for the heading tag, as you can see, SUB2, which will be used later on. And here is a DL tag, meaning a definition list. So under the definition list I have DT and DD tag. If I run this file, it can be seen over here, CSE, that is whatever is given under DT tag will be displayed close to the margin, and the DD tag, that is the definition of CSE, Computer Science and Engineering, will be displayed below it. Next is UL, that is unordered list, where the list will be, where the types of the list are disk, square, etc. So it doesn't include the numericals and the alphabets. LI meaning the list items, so whatever you have to list, you can list out here. Now OL type equals 1, so over here the type, if you give 1, it will display 1, 2, 3 as follows, or if you want to change it, you can give I or A for that matter. We'll run the file and check it. Yes, so over here we can see that I, that is 1, 2, 3 can be displayed. The next what we'll be looking into is the start keyword. The start keyword is given 5, so it will be started from the 5th letter or the 5th alphabet, that is E, and it will continue. Next is we will move on to the next division, the last division. Over here I have given rows and columns and created a table using the table tag. I have given border as 1. Over here we can see the row span is equal to 4. So that means that the following row will be having a span of 4 size. That is 4 rows will be clubbed together. So we'll take a look at it. Over here you can see that 4 rows has been clubbed together in the last column of the first row. Okay, so this is it. The last, you can see I have given a reference to the SUB1. Now where have we seen SUB1? SUB1 can be traced back to the beginning of the page, where I had given a heading introduction, and there's an ID that I have given SUB1. So whenever in the page I click, whenever on the page when I click go to subheading 1, it will automatically go to the introduction, that is the first heading. So this is it for the first experiment. We will check if everything has been done correctly by putting it in the validator. Check. As you can see, there are no errors. There are no errors and the code has been perfectly executed. Thank you.